So, good morning, everybody. We are here for the London Open Streaming, Wednesday, 19th, 2023. So, we had this double top here, and the more important is the time this happened, which is the high of the Tokyo session, Japan session, or even Australian session, Asian session in general, and that's something important on the Euro USD. So that's why I kept on being short. I went short here this morning. I had some short running from yesterday. I had my stop just above the weekly open for the night. And I just added some shorts at 109.61 right here. The reason of that is we are arriving on the London Open in a few minutes, and I think we should see a follow-through. We can see a follow-through of that move, probably even up to the New York session. So that's what I think would happen this morning. We will see that very soon, and we will see how will unfold the London Open, but I would not be surprised to see a push lower and a break lower inside the next hour, or perhaps even the next 30 minutes. So that's what I want to see due to that double top inside the Asian session, which is generally important and often quite often offer quite a good setup. So what I would like to see is, I would like to see if we could unfold that small ABC down, that small bearish ABC till this high stays in place. We have been using quite well, and that's what I like here. We have been using quite well the 2360 even inside the Asian session. This is a double top over there at 3 a.m. like usually, 4 a.m. Then we came back and we broke through it. Now we stopped under the 78.60 on Monday, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that was Monday. So now I would really love to see a break to this 1140 fib here, which is the new retracement fib from the lows in September 2022 with the new high we posted last Friday, I think. So this is one of the area where I will be looking at to see if we see a reaction. Then if we break the 1140, I would look at this area, which is an important fib we have there. As you can see, we have a 2360, very important fib, together with the previous 1140 fib that created some support resistance area, and together with the 1272 extension. So that would be the most important place I will be looking at. Of course, on the way here, we have the big 2140 fib, which is the sister fib of this huge 2360 we have there, which gave the top in place we have for now. So probably some reaction here. That would be a good target. If we could see that in the morning, that would be very nice. We could bounce a little bit here and then perhaps look lower. Quite often those move when we see that kind of double top here at that time of the day inside the ASEAN, we see a follow through till 6 p.m. European time, which is 4 p.m. GMT. So it's something important because we could really look at this move to unfold nicely and perhaps even to extend till here inside the New York Open or something like this. We do not have a lot of data today. So we keep on looking what's happening, but that's something very important for me to work on that double top. I will just extend this fib a little bit so we can see it very well. So you see well how we have been holding the 50, bounce back to the 32, and now we are pulling back inside it. The next one will be the 61.8. We had some reaction here, but that was again in very early session, so that's why there was no real move there. And we have the London Open right now, okay? Sorry, I was speaking and didn't look at the time. So we have the London Open, so we need to see what's going to happen. If we push a little bit higher, or if we just turn lower within the next 10 minutes that are coming. On the other side, we have this fib, like usually you see how well they are playing on very nicely, the 2360 over there. Look, it's really a very, very nice one. So if we would bounce, perhaps we could bounce up to the 61.8 and then come back lower as soon as we respect this high. In some occasion, I have seen those tops with an intraday push up to it and then resuming on the other side. So we'll see what's happening. For me now, I am not really willing to get long here till this Asian double top is in place here, which is, as I said, from the price action and the time period, something important for me. Of course, we will have a lot of buyers all the way. The USD is quite low on the DXY, so we bounced this morning from this important 78.60 fib here when we had the move at 8.45, which was this candle over there. When we had this pullback, that's when we bounced from the 78.60 fib. So we have to look closely what's going to happen in the next minutes. And if we keep unviolated this level on that 23.60 fib over there. So go back to the work chart. So we have the same here, which is the D52. The D50 is an important support, but we need to break it. Then we have some trend, and we have a lot of things on the way down, but we need to look at something. For now, it has been playing very nicely since the morning. We saw this acceleration that was looking really nice. We had this early acceleration inside just after the double top, boom. And then we have another one with this one here. It's a 5-minute chart. So if we look at the 15 minutes, it's even cleaner. But we can well come back there and pull back from here. Just for reference for the people in the trading room, this is the low of the 8:30 time pivot we have there, where we are bouncing from. I didn't took it. I was busy. As you know, I have some things to solve with my dog. So I could not take it. But anyway, I am more, as I said already, I am more looking for now to add some shorts on my position that I have here and there from the morning. Okay. The open today, the open level is here, okay? So I will mark it like usually because the London open level is important, like always. Today is 19th. Okay, so we have the London Open of today here. We are pushing a little bit up inside this open. What I want to see is what happened in about 6 minutes. And if we get in this area, especially back test of that weekly pivot together with the 61/8 feed. By the way, why isn't it here? Ah, yes, it is. I'm wrong. Yes, it's there, right there. Okay, so I just need to extend it a little bit more so we can see it better. So if you took so long in trading room here on the time pivot, that was a very good traditional setup we have. We had a small, we had a nice long setup. Sorry, I even didn't look at it. As I said, I was busy at this time, but we had a very nice long setup when we arrived there. You can see it here. Very nice, very clean, boom, boom, boom. So it was really a good trade to take. Was not focused, so didn't took it, unfortunately for me. Already 18 pips up on this trade, on this setup, sorry. So we see we have a lot of buyers always inside the pre-open or the open, looking for a follow-through after it. Since the last day, which is one of the reasons. With the other reason, it's one of the reasons why I think we would squeeze again the long this week as we did last week on Friday. So 9 plus 10 soon. So you see, this is the weekly pivot. So this area will be very important now, very important. And that's where probably I will look to add back some short to the one I have from there and there yesterday. And well, if we break it up, the next important area for me will be here and there, of course, with this Asian double top. Then if we break if we break the double top, we will look for those levels on the Dixie here to find some support. So it's a little bit, oops, it moved a little bit, but we would be looking in that area and this area on the Dixie, of course. So I took one on the one short on this weekly pivot there, here. So it's important to see what happens. If we see a quite aggressive move down now, that would confirm this is unfolding for more time. If we don't, then we would run till 9:30, and that would be a little bit less interesting on that setup. So it's something I keep an eye on, a close eye on it. If you didn't went short already, you can just short here, or if you did short here, you just put the stop either right there at break even now, which is what I'm doing myself. Okay. Okay, so I'm break evening this this short ad on the weekly pivot. So my stop is now right just there. 1 pip, I put 1 pip above for the spread in case we just double top it. So it will be very important to see what we get here. And we just mark the trade, well, later perhaps. So this was yesterday short. Okay, and this morning was there. Okay, so 9-10. Very interesting now to see what's going to happen. Do we take the 9-10 level or not? That's key for now. I will stop the recording and just keep on speaking for the trading walk.